Hello, Flair Web Development Team. My name is Álvaro Andrés Alfonso Rodriguez, and I'm very excited about the web designer position. In this video, I want to briefly introduce myself and showcase my work and skills, which I believe align perfectly with what you are looking for. Thank you for this opportunity to demonstrate my potential. Let's begin. Well, I am a sixth semester software engineering student with over 2 years of experience in front end software development and UX UI design. I possess a solid command in creating websites and digital products, utilizing technologies such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and low code platforms like WordPress, Webflow, and Flutterflow. My current focus is on user centered design. I create intuitive interfaces and high fidelity prototypes with Figma, rigorously applying Jacobs Nielsen usability principles. Furthermore, I have experience in documenting and conducting usability tests to optimize the user experience. As a self-taught individual, I have integrated artificial intelligence tools like Gemini and Leonard AI to develop digital marketing strategies and generate high-quality images. I also complement my skills with design tools like Canva and video editing tools such as CapCut and Clipchamp. Throughout my career, I've had the opportunity the different areas for corporate experience and training grounds to professional internships, professional projects, and freelance work. Now, I'll share how this experience have shaped my profile and my passion for creating digital products. Currently, I hold a work study scholarships at Florida Global University, where I am studying a bachelor degree in information technology, specializing in software system development. My role is web development and technical support. My main responsibilities include interface design and prototyping, creating landing page and website prototypes with Figma, ensuring intuitive and high fidelity interface. Web development and execution. Implementing and managing web projects with WordPress, optimizing their performance and functionality. Technical support and optimization. Providing effective support for digital projects, resolving incidents, and ensuring operational efficiency. This involves through website reviews to ensure the correct functionality of text, images, logos, icons, buttons, forms, and social media WhatsApp links, as well as alignment with the corporate bandwidth. Documentation and collaboration. Preparing detailed documentation on errors of necessary change, images, text, icons. Collaborating closely with the marketing team for the implementation of requested correction and modification, and subsequently executing their updates on the page. Now, let me tell you about two key projects where I have the privilege of leading an activity participate together with the Business University of the Chamber of Commerce. To fully understand the user experience, I delved into real-world application. I did a thorough analysis of Claro Colombia website, focusing on practical improvements to its usability and accessibility. This project allowed me to apply key principles and directly observe user interactions to identify critical areas for improvement. The report discussed onboarding user insights, Claro Colombia website analysis. I conducted a comprehensive analysis of Claro Colombia's website, applying Jacob Nielsen usability principles to identify functional, visual, and content uses. Crafting solutions, enhancing usability and accessibility. I proposed improvements to functionality, navigation, element display, information ambiguity, inflection points, and overall accessibility. Testing in science, navigating usability hurdles. I conducted usability and accessibility tests with users from diverse profiles, students, university students, and older adults. The findings revealed navigation difficulties, intuitive forms, and challenges for older users, especially in accessing information and navigating within the site. Tools for enhanced accessibility, Wave and XDiv tools. I use tools such as Wave and XDiv tools to identify and correct accessibility issues. Focused on sustainable urban clothing. Had the privilege of leading the interior development and UX/UI design. Working as a part of a three-person team, my role spanned from initial conception to final implementation, ensuring a robust, aesthetic, and functional platform. Digital architect and urban and shop. I lead the full stack development and UX and UI design of this e-commerce platform, working in a three-person team. Shaping strategic market research for sustainable fashion and target audience definition. I conducted initial market research to identify sustainable fashion trends and define our target audience. The art of co-creation, defining the aesthetic and structure of urban and shop. I collaborated on defining typography, color palette, images, tiles, text, buttons, and the website's section structure. From concept to click, creating user-centric interfaces with Figma. Together with a colleague, I developed the user interface and user experience in Figma, ensuring intuitive navigation and a pleasant experience. Bringing designs to life, responsive front-end development with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I developed the front-end interface exclusively using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, strictly adhering to the Figma design. Empowering interactivity, API development for blog engagement and data flow. I contributed to API construction, including a registration form for the blog with responding emails, information delivery, and like comment functionalities for blog content. Beyond design, building an inclusive web experience, I implemented accessibility features on the website, such as decreasing font size, and changing colors in images for colorblind users. Now, I'm glad to share with you another key experience in my professional career, my corporate internship. This period was crucial for applying and expanding my knowledge in a real life settings. Boosting export, strategic web designer, and content for international markets. I supported companies offering export services to Chile and Mexico, serving as a web designer and content creator. Images, text, and titles aligned with their brand image. Engaging content and seamless connectivity, crafting titles and functional communication channels. I designed and implemented titles and text, ensuring that social media and communication channel buttons like WhatsApp were fully functional. From data to deals, building databases for strategic leads management. I developed a database to centralize user information recorded in firms, thus facilitating leads management for the sales department. Now, I'd like to talk about my personal design projects. This is where I truly exploring my creativity and put new designs, ideas, and technologies into practice. Intuitive Fitness, designing a complete mobile and web experience for games. I designed and prototyped an integral mobile application and a complementary landing page for gyms, focusing on creating highlight intuitive user experience. Crafting visual harmony, psychology of color and typography in UI design. I applied principles of color psychology and typography to ensure clean, modern, and attractive interface. Designing for impact, visual hierarchy, legibility, and accessible prototypes. I paid special attention to visual hierarchy, legibility, and accessibility, developing interactive prototypes that simulate the real user experience. I sincerely appreciate the time and attention you have given me during this process. I am very enthusiastic about the possibility of joining further web development and contributing with my web design, UX UI, and development skills.